Welcome to this video where we will use the UK government's Comply with UK REACH system to grandfather an EU registration into UK REACH. Start by signing into the government gateway. If you haven't got a login for this system, you can see my previous video on how to do this. Once you're logged in and you've chosen the legal entity you wish to work with, you will be presented with the home or dashboard screen. At the top right, you can see grandfathering a registration under transfer from the EU. This page gives you some information and the data that you will need before you start. An IUCLID I6Z file and the REACH registration number and a third-party representative token if you're using that. Click the green Continue button above and we can get started with the process. To start with, you will need to select the I6Z IUCLID file for a substance dossier that you wish to be uploaded. Then you need to click whether the dossier has any testing proposals outstanding and whether there have been any final decisions by ECHA. In this case, it's no for both. Click Continue. If you get an error like this, it's most likely that you've exported the substance data set and not a dossier. Go back to IUCLID and look at your dossiers or create a dossier and export that. Once you have submitted the correct IZ6 file, it will come back to see if it can find the substance. I've found that many common substances, the UK system returns that it cannot find a substance. If you're happy that the EC and CAS number are correct, then just click Continue. You can then give a name to your submission. This is just for your own use, but should be an easily understandable name, be it an EU transfer or new submission, PPORD for instance. If you want to use the third-party representative, you would indicate that at this point. And then it asks for your EU REACH registration number and the date of first registration. Enter these and click Continue. You'll then get a summary of the details that are being submitted. Check that you are happy with these and then submit. You will then get a confirmation that the dossier was registered successfully and the all-important UK registration number. What will happen is all companies that register substances in this manner will be put into a chemical group, as the UK call it, or was previously known as a SIEF, Substance Information Exchange Forum, and at the end of the deadline, a lead registrant will be selected, and based on your tonnage you will have 2, 4 or 6 years to complete your submission. Hopefully this quick video has been useful to indicate how to grandfather your substances in from your old EU REACH registrations.